Anonymous attack on police over phone hacking, and judges over Julian Assange's proposed extradition. Anonymous will reveal explosive secrets to embarrass Metropolitan Police and judges in the UK. Anonymous is angry on the proposed extradition of whistleblower site WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange. We will target the Met over News International's phone hacking as well as over the investigation of the murder of teenager Millie Dowler. This will be the biggest day in Anonymous's history. Everyone brace. This will be literally explosive. Attention intelligence community. Your contractors have failed you. This is the beginning. Anonymous had targeted News International's server for 30 minutes at a time last week. Everyone thinks Interpol will get involved at some point. This is laughable. Anonymous is infamous for bringing down the websites of MasterCard and PayPal after the companies withdrew financial services to WikiLeaks. Anonymous has DDoS attacked target government websites in Syria, Tunisia, Egypt and India over online censorship, corruption and other political issues. LulzSec and Anonymous has announced the Anti-Sec campaign against internet regulation by governments across the world. We will work together on attacks against targets related to government, such as banks. Assange has launched a fresh appeal at the High Court in London against attempts to extradite him to Sweden. He faces false sexual assault charges relating to alleged incidents in Stockholm in August 2010. Assange has appointed a new legal team for Tuesday's hearing. We are anonymous. We are legion. We never forgive. We never forget. We are the one divided by zero. Expect us.